Hello guys, so my name is Ismail Nurtamami. I'm from IKA 2C, and today I will presentation about my final project using the Visual Studio 2015 from the subject database programming. Okay.
Okay guys, before we practice my final project, we must open the Visual Studio. Yes, and here the main form of my final project. And here I have a menu. This menu is for student, input data student, subject data and others. And here's a lecture. Have input data lecture, and this is the scholarship, input data scholarship, and student scholarship data. And the last menu is about me. Okay, we run. First, I will show you the form about this project. Okay, this form is about my final project. This is my mini project for end-test practice of the subject database programming, and in this project have a many form for lecture, for student, for scholarship, achievement, and in this form have the input data student, input data lecture, data class schedule, class data, scholarship, data achievement, and others. And this is me, Ismail Nurtamami. Okay, next I will show you the form about input data student, and this is the form. In this form have a name, nama, tempat lahir, tanggal lahir, alamat, kota, provinsi, nomor HP, email, foto, and this is if you want to search data with the name or name. And this is have the 5 button simpan, button update, button delete, button browse, and button cari. Example, we want to add the data. Yes. And the name is Ismail Nurtamami. Tempat lahir in Tangerang. This is we choose and this address, and its kota is the Tangerang, and in province we choose the Banten. Number phone, and this email is ismailnurtamami@gmail.com. Yes, and in this photo you can click the button browse and choose the photo, and you can, if you want to save the data, you can click the button simpan, and we also record inserted, and in here the data will be shown. Yes, this is. And next example, we want to change the data, change the tanggal lahir, which was 2000 and October 13. Yes. Okay, if you want to update data, you click the button update, and we also notice is record update. Okay, next example, you want to delete data. Example, we choose the Alkausar, and you want to delete data, you click the button delete, and we also notice is record deleted, and in here the data nothing. Yes. Okay, next example, you want to find the data by name. Yes. In here you type the name, and if you don't, you just click the button search. Yes. And next, if you want to search by name, yes, name, yes. Okay. Okay, next one is for lecture. This is the input data lecture. In this form, have a NIP, nama, tempat lahir, tanggal lahir, alamat, kota, provinsi, nomor HP, email, foto, almost same with the before form. And this is, they have a for button. Okay, next example, we want to add the data of the lecture. Example is NIP. The name is Sukanto. Tempat lahir Semarang 9. Semarang, Jawa Tengah. This is the number form. And this is the email. And in this photo, you can click the button browse and you choose the photo. Yes. If you have the data, you click the save and you will notice record insert. And the data will show in here. An example, you want to update the data example wrong in the tanggal lahir, you can choose tanggal lahir and you can correct. Yes, example is the have the correct and you can click the button update. Yes, and the notice will be record update. Okay, and the next example you want to delete. If you want to delete, you can choose you can choose the data, this, and the button delete. You click the button delete and okay, the data not available in this. Okay, next form is the subject data. This is the form to input the subject data. Yes, in this form have the kode mata kuliah, nama mata kuliah SKS, jam teori, jam praktek, and in here have the, if you want to search data, you can use this by code or by name the subject. Yes, example, we want to add the data and you can input the code of the subject. Example, this name of this bahasa Inggris. Yes, the SKS is 2, jam teori 1, and praktek 1. Simpan. And if you choose, you can click the button save. Yes, and will notice record inserted. And the data will be shown in here. Yes. Next example, you want to change the subject data. Example, in here we want to add data. We want to, yes, PSI. And you can click the button update. Okay, and the notice will record updated. Okay, next if you want to delete data, you can choose the data in here and you can click the button delete and the notice record deleted, and in here will not be available. Okay, next, this is the for to search the data with the code mata kuliah. Example, we want to search okay, and we click the button search. Yes, and this is available in here. And if you want to change the search by name of the subject, you can click and search. Yes, like this. Okay. Okay, next form is to input the score of the student. This is the form, have a semester, tahun akademik, kelas, mata kuliah, and have a 5 button. Okay, save, update, delete, and refresh. Okay, if you want to add the score, you can choose the semester, for, tahun akademik, the class is IK 2C, and the subject is the database programming. Click OK. Okay, and show the data of the student. Example, you want to choose this, and in here you can uh, type the value. Example 19. Okay, if you have done, you can click the save button, and the notice is berhasil disimpan, and you click OK. Okay, in here will show the nilai akhir and nilai huruf. If you want to update the data, you choose this, and you change the data. Example, yes, and if this, we click the update. Yes, the notice console will be show berhasil di update, and we show this. Okay, change the data will be changed. An example, we want to delete the data. You choose this and you click the delete button. The notice will be show berhasil dihapus. Okay, and this button to refresh the data in here. We click and the data will be refreshed. Okay. Okay, next form is the attendance data studied. Okay, this form for the input the attendance data have a name, nama, kelas, tanggal, semester, tahun akademik, izin sakit apa. Okay. Example, we want to input the data attendance of the student. Yes. And here we choose the date. Example, April, semester 4, tahun akademik 2000. Izin 4, basic is 1, and no. Okay, if you have filled the data, you can click the button save, and we'll just record inserted, and the data will be shown in here. Yes, it's in here. And next, if you want to change the data, example, have the wrong data in here, you type in correctly, and if you have the change, you click the button update, and we'll just record updated. Okay, and the data will be shown change in here. And if you want to delete the data, you choose this, you choose the data, and you can choose the button delete. Okay, record deleted, and the data will be gone. And this is the refresh button. From the refresh, example, you choose this, and you click the refresh, the data will be blank again. Okay. Okay, next form is the transaction class of the student. We open, and this is the form. The transaction class have the save, edit, change, delete, and alumni. And in this form, example, we want to add the student to the class. We type the IKA 2C, tahun masuk, and click OK, button OK, and the student will be shown in here. If you want choose all, you can click the pilih semua, but if you not choose all, you can click manually. Okay, example, we want choose all, yes, and then we click the simpan button. Okay, we'll just record insert. Okay, next form is to change. Yes, Example, we want to nama kelas, change the class, click OK, we choose all, and this is the form to new class. Yes. Okay. And this is the for the status student. We tap the name. Okay. Example, we choose this, and we choose the status. You can choose active, cuti, or DO. Yeah, for example, we want to choose the DO, choose the cuti. Okay, we click the button ubah and the record update. Okay, and next, this is to delete record data. We type the data if this, and then we click the button hapus and we lost our record deleted. Okay, the next is the from alumni. We type the tahun masuk, and then we click the lihat data. Yes, and this will be shown in here. Okay. Okay, next form is the schedule subject. Okay, this is form to schedule subject. Have a semester, tahun akademik, kelas, hari, jam, mata kuliah, dosen, NIP, ruang. And this button, and this is the data. Okay, example, we want to add the schedule, subject schedule. Which is the class, which is the days. Example, which is the Monday, 7 o'clock. The mata kuliah is pemrograman database programming, and the lecture is Mardiono. Okay, and NIP will be changed according the lecture, and the ruang is SB 01. Okay, we click the button save or record inserted, and the data will be shown in here. Yes, in here. An example, the data is wrong. Example, the days is wrong. We choose the correctly and click the update button, and the record updated, and in here will be change the days. And next, if you want to delete the data, we choose the data, and next you choose the button delete. Okay, data akan dihapus, okay or cancel, we choose okay, or record deleted. Okay, and the data will be gone. And this is from, if you want to look the schedule, which is the class, and which is the days, example Monday. Yes, and in here the data will be shown only on Monday. Example, which is today, and in here. Okay, and the last is the button refresh to fill blank the data. Okay. Okay, next one is the achievement data. This is from to input the achievement student. Example, we want to add the data. We type Ismail Nurtamami, and the class is K2C. Yes, this is the date, tingkat second, and prestasi the achievement. Example, juara 1 pemrograman. Okay, if you don't, you choose the save button and the record insert. Yes, and the data will be shown in here. Yes, example, the data is wrong. Example this juara 2. Yes, we click the button update, record inserted, and the data will be changed. Yes, example we want to next example we want to delete data. Click this and record deleted. Yes, all the data will be gone, and this is the last button is refresh button to fill the blank of the data. Okay. Okay, the next form is scholarship. Input data scholarship. This is form to input data scholarship. This is the data. Have a kode beasiswa, nama beasiswa, institusi sponsor, jumlah. And in here, if you want to search data, search scholarship data, you can search in here by code or by name scholarship. Example, we want to input the new data. Jumlahnya. Okay, if you have done, you click the save button and we will show our record inserted, and the data will be shown in here. Yes. Example, the data, you want to change the data. You choose the data and you can type correctly, and if you don't, you click the update button. Okay, will be noticed record updated and the data will be changed in here. An example, you want to delete the data, you choose the data and you click the button delete. Okay, record deleted and the data will be gone. Next, if you want to search the scholarship by code, you can click this and you type the number of the code. You click the search button. Okay, this is the find. Example, you want to search by name of scholarship. You click this search button and data will be shown in here. Okay, next form, the last form is the scholarship student data. Yes, this is the form. This is the name, nama, kelas, beasiswa, and tahun akademik. Example, we want to input the new data. Choose the beasiswa, kode beasiswa, and this is year academic. If you have done, you click the save button and will record inserted, and the data will be shown in here. Example, you have a wrong data. You can click the data and you click type correctly and you click update button. Okay, the data will be shown in here. And next is the button delete. You click the data and next the button will be shown record delete, and the data will be gone. And the last is this is a refresh button. You click and the fill in blank. Okay.
Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.